Let's talk about downloads. So, bakit lagi ko sinasabi na dito sa puno, bukod sa nakakapag-recharge tayo, dito rin tayo nagda-downloads ng mga information. Dahil kung mapapansin nyo, saan ba gawa ang papel, di ba? Galing siya sa puno or galing siya sa wood. And then yung papel, sinusulatan natin ito ng mga information or knowledge na gusto nating matutunan. When it comes to unseen, itong puno, it absorbing water from earth ground, right? Water element hold information. Water element have own consciousness. Katulad natin, di ba? As human being, we are 65 to 70% water yung body natin, which is yung DNA natin, it also holds information. Dahil yung soul natin, that is your DNA. Your DNA is our soul. So, it holds information. So, ganon din itong puno. Once we connect with this tree, so, yung energy natin is nagsisirculate lang yan. Even we cannot see in our physical eyes. Kasi yung physical eyes natin, it is blind in electromagnetic field. Only 1% lang, less than 1% lang yung nakikita natin sa unseen or sa electromagnetic field. Because our eyes is totally blind sa mga unseen energies. So, lahat ng mga information na na-absorb ng water from earth grounds, so ito yung na-absorb din natin, kaya mas mabilis tayo makapag-download. So nagsisilbi siyang pinaka-antena. That is why we are very connected to the universe, to the divine, to God source, or whatever you call it, in divine intelligence. So that is the secret and how to download information, higher knowledge and information.